Here's how to fix the microphone not working on Discord Mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android, but you can't get the microphone working, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into the Discord app here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is test out that microphone. You can do it a couple different ways. Let's just go back out of here. And on here, for instance, I'm on Trevor's server. Now, I can go back here and you can see voice channels. I can tap on general here under voice channels and I can hit join voice. Now, it might say that you need to enable permissions on here if it doesn't have access to your microphone. Now, keep in mind, you can always go into it from here, but you can also just go into it from the settings. So let's go into the settings here, tap on the gear icon. And then all we need to do is scroll down until we find privacy and security and tap on that. Now on here, again, we're going to try to find microphone. So scroll down until you find the microphone option and tap on that. And then from here, you can see Discord. I'm just going to toggle this on to allow Discord to access my microphone. Now, if I go back into Discord, I can always go back here to the voice chat and hit join voice. Now you'll be able to see it doesn't pop up with the inability to use my microphone. I can toggle that microphone to mute it or unmute it. However, I can also test it out just by going into a conversation. Let's say go into a message here and you can tap on the microphone at the bottom right and you can see it says hold to record. So just hold on to it and you can see I'm recording my voice right in here. And I can just hit send, and essentially it has sent that voice message to the other person, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.